super excited today because we are going to pick up a really nice dirt bike for my daughter Zia. Hey guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron, and all my kids are in the car with me. Timmy, show them real quick. Timmy is behind the camera, there is Zia sitting in the middle, and Sandra is in the car seat. And we are on the way to pick up this bike that I was looking for, exactly the same bike for my daughter Zia, because we've been on TTR 90 that we borrowed or landed, whichever word you use, from our friend Dallas, but we need to give it back in like a month. So I was looking for some bike that would be good for her, and I was thinking that she's actually doing pretty good on the bike, so I wanted to get her something maybe a little bit different, maybe starting her on the two-stroke, and also start to take her on the track. We have nice PV track here in Enza in Kawia. So we found out this really good condition KTM 50 SX Senior, which is really exactly the size that she needs right now. She's 7 years old, and the bike is for 6 to 8 years old kids, and gives you everything you need. You know, has a nice there's no shifting, has a nice power to it, has a good suspension. She can start getting some jumps, and I'm just super excited. The bike looks really good. It's Sunday afternoon, 2 p.m. It's like 100 degrees outside. I was on the marketplace, and the guy posted it 1 hour ago or 2 hours ago, and I messaged him right away and I said I want to go and pick it up now, because these kind of bikes, then they don't stay very long. Alright, we arrived, the kids are sleeping, took some time, and my Zia, she's a little car sick, but let's check out the bike. Alright, so here we go. KTM 50 Senior bike. Doesn't look bad, huh, Zia? What do you think? Good. Come, check it out. Try to sit on it. See if it fits you. Oh, nice. Then take off the stand.
I'd prefer lean to your right.
Lean a little bit like that. Put the stand off. Here's your brake. What do you think, huh? Huh? she's on TTR 90 now. She's doing pretty good, you know, being in the second gear and riding around. What do you think? You like it? All right, so. This is how you load the bike to pickup truck. I don't know about you guys, but I think this thing is super cute. It's little KTMs. This is the older bike. It looks kind of similar to my 2004 I had a long time ago. I think Zia will have a good time on it. We're gonna fix it up a little bit, and then we're gonna ride some track.
I gotta go with you.
You're gonna go with me, yeah. Cool. Here we go. We came back home, and over there is TTR. Alexandra sitting on a TTR 90 that we have for some time, and this is the KTM we just bought. So you can see the size difference here. The wheels are way smaller on this KTM. TTR has bigger wheels, and then bike altogether feels way smaller, so it's much easier to maneuver. The seat height is pretty much the same, and then suspension travel is way better on this KTM forks, and also on the shock. So I think it will work good for us learning how to ride a motocross. Those TTRs are not bad too, but I wanted to see how she would do on a two-stroke. Look, this bad boy already has MOTO seat cover, and nice even dirt bike TV sticker. So it's already done. I don't need to do a lot. So what do you think, Zia? Good. Good? Let me kill it. So how do you feel? Can you tell me? Can you tell me some feedback? How do you feel?
Happy.
Huh?
Happy.
That's what I want to hear. That's it. We got this two-stroke for my daughter Zia. There is some work that we need to do to this bike. Make sure that the clutch is working properly. Make sure that we have good jetting. I think it's a little bit rich, so we're gonna play with that, and then probably put new tires, new fork seals, and just enjoy it. And as I said, we want to start riding a little bit a motocross track, so she can get, you know, that little bit feeling in the jumping and other things, and kind of come out from the corners. So this snappy 2-stroke should be pretty good for that. Alright guys, well, let me know below in the comments if you have experience with your kids on this bike, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.